Hi, Ben from LabStrong here. Today we're going to cover how to operate the LabStrong Rapids Type I water purification system. Let's jump right in. First, make sure your power source and your water source are connected and that your water source is turned on, then hit the power switch on the left-hand side of the unit. While the system's firing up, let's talk about the touchscreen display. This is the bread and butter of the Rapids unit. This is where all the functionality of the system will come from. The touchscreen is easy to use and understand, but it's also comprehensive, giving you a full range of options for dispensing, do-it-yourself maintenance, diagnostics, and a whole lot more. Let's start from the beginning with our home screen, which our system will default to every time we turn it on. The home screen gives us our three operating modes, our dispensing option, our water purification level, our time of day, and the menu button, where we can perform maintenance and a whole host of other operations. Now let's go over our three operating modes. Whenever you first power on the system, the unit will default to off mode. In off mode, the system won't circulate any water, and when you want to dispense, you'll likely have to wait for a longer period of time before the system will reach and exceed the 18.0 megohm per centimeter standard for ASTM Type I water purification, compensated to 25 degrees Celsius. We recommend keeping the system in standby mode. In standby mode, the Rapids will circulate water throughout the system once every half hour for a 5-minute cycle. So the next time you're ready to dispense, the system can reach and exceed the ASTM Type I purification standard in a much shorter period of time. Turning the system to on mode will enable our dispensing option. In on mode, the Rapids continuously circulates water to ensure that the system meets and exceeds the ASTM Type I water purification standard of 18.0 megohm per centimeter, compensated to 25 degrees Celsius. The system will meet and exceed this benchmark for as long as you're in on mode. Now when you're ready to dispense, simply hit the dispense button and then press and hold the press and hold button, and the system will dispense water. Once you let go, the system will stop dispensing. That way you're not wasting any water or accidentally dispensing because of an unintended button press. Now before you dispense, we highly recommend installing the LabStrong 0.2 micron final filter. This is an accessory that's not included with your Rapids unit when we ship it to you, but will remove bacteria from your water as you dispense it. This is the only product in the Rapids product line that has bacterial removal capabilities. Before you attach the final filter, you'll also want to secure some Teflon tape to the threading. Make sure to just leave 1 or 2 threads exposed towards the top. To install the final filter, you'll need to remove the standard dispenser fitting, which comes attached to your Rapids unit when we ship it to you. Now it might be a little bit tight, so you might need a wrench to unscrew it, but make sure you hang on to this. You'll need this dispenser fitting for cleaning and maintenance purposes later on. In fact, for your convenience, we've attached a little rubber grommet underneath the gray cartridge cover that you can put this dispenser fitting in, and make sure you hang on to it for when you'll need it in the future. Now we can attach the final filter. Now, if for some reason your Rapids unit isn't reaching 18.0 megohm per centimeter or greater after a few minutes in on mode, first check to make sure your system isn't showing any notification codes. For instance, a common notification code might be, for instance, if we lift up our gray cartridge cover here and rotate the cartridge with the NFC tag on it, after a little while, our system will tell us that we have no cartridges installed because the NFC tag reader isn't reading with the NFC tag label on the first cartridge. And here's the notification code telling us exactly what's wrong. Cartridge kit not detected. Make sure the tag is facing the NFC reader. We can fix the problem right away. Now in the rare case that no notification code is popping up and our system still isn't reaching 18.0 or greater, we're going to head to the menu for troubleshooting options. We cover maintenance and repairs in our other videos, but for general troubleshooting, here's what we'll do. We'll click on the menu button and then go to Help, and then click on Troubleshooting, and it'll display a QR code that we can use our phone to access that QR code. An easy way to do this is just simply pull out the camera app, position it with the code, and a link will pop up towards the top. This will take us to our LS Link technology, which will give us the resources and help we'll need to fix the problem. The Rapids system is all about giving you the power to troubleshoot and perform maintenance on your own. But in the case that you need additional help, you can always call our technical support team at LabStrong by dialing the number right here on the screen. Now at any point in time, just hit the back button in the top right corner of the screen to go back a menu, and keep hitting that back button if you wish to return all the way to our home screen. Lastly, if you leave the system in on mode, after 8 hours with no user interaction, the system will automatically switch to standby mode. The Rapids is an incredibly low power system that uses very little energy, so we recommend keeping the system in standby mode when you aren't frequently dispensing. And that's it for Operation Basics. Today we covered the 3 operating modes of the Rapids unit, how to dispense water, and some more in-depth menus as well. Thank you so much for watching. At LabStrong, we're committed to making your lab life easier. For more content, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And for additional help, contact the experts right here at LabStrong.